Step 8. The service mileage setting. This is a countdown system. You can press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds to choose the state, on or off. Once you choose on, press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds and you will directly jump into the mile setting. For example, if your vehicle needs an oil change every 500 miles, then simply make the adjustment. Press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds and move to the scale you would like to set. Set it to your preferred mileage. Press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds. Now you've set it that every X amount of miles, you will be alerted of a service. As stated prior, this is a countdown system, so it will count down from your set number until it hits 0.